You have reached your destination.
Yep. All right, so here's what my my research was about, and how far up or down to put my new wood bow, right? As well as how does this sucker fit into everything. And so, where to put all my pictures? Somewhere around here. I'll find them. Hang on, I'll show you. Anyway, so this is what I needed to do. God damn it, I promised myself I wouldn't cough or clear my throat during one of these videos. My sister gets on my ass all the time. I need to see, again, how this fit in, and etc. So that's handy. Sorry. And this one as well. So, actually very handy on fitment. Overall, how it looks. This is what got me into the here's what I should be doing. And then maybe a close-up, which wasn't too awfully helpful. And this close-up. So, most helpful is this. And this. So that's what I'll be working on next. You'll see that, yeah, I just did one. You'll see I've got some glue to get rid of. I'll be using this, what's left of that, and make it look pretty. Over that goes a seal, so I don't want to care too much. But anyway, so here we go. And I'm also doing this today. I need to put this on my car for a jig for my for the hardtop. You can see that I'm taking off too much sealant, and that's fine. I've already taken off quite a bit. And what I'll do next is to take some vinegar and clean up all of the bright work. Vinegar is a great cleaner for this stuff, and it's not toxic. I can also use it to clean the glass itself. That little nib, and on and on. So I'll do that next. Flip it over, do that, and then I'm going to deinstall my Sebring windshield and install the normal one, the traditional one. Yeah, not bad. Not bad, not bad, not bad. All of that was cleaned off with vinegar and a little bit of rust and some junk and blah blah blah. Gonna do a little bit more trimming with my my razor blade. That's nicely done. And I'll next trim that junk off, but I'm more or less done with this. So this will do what I needed to do, which is provide a scaffold for my hardtop. So I'll get to work on the other ones. Taking it out, and that's it for now. Well, here's a sight I thought I would never see in quite some time, and there it is. So, got a little bit of prep work to do. Prep work to do on the other one, and I'll put it in. Won't take long. And I forgot to mention, this does not come with a kit when you buy stuff, windshield stuff from Moss. What comes is a little bit of a strip from about here to here, from the corners. That's understandable. I've put an entire length of this stuff. It's 3M, which I got off of Amazon quite a while ago. So I'm glad I'm able to use it. Yep. I also have the pad feet for these, and the screws and everything else. So there we go. Okay, that's done, and I'll tell you, it was a bitch. Removing the old windshield and putting this new one on. Holy Christ. This may motivate me to put the soft top in too. I don't know, but kind of like the Sebring look. I don't know. Anyway, I forgot that I've got to put one lifted dot into there. and on the other side as well. And I also need to put the inner kick panels back in. I'll do that tomorrow. I need to eat something. Anyhow, here's how we're looking. I don't think I'm going to keep it here, or keep it on, because I do like the look of the Sebring better. But yeah, there it is. Anyway, there's the jig for all of that. Yup. And this is what I'm doing today. I've got a couple of other things I want to do to the interior of the that mold there, the hardtop, before I do the front bow. So, I had this scheme of, where is it? Using this stuff, cutting holes, drilling holes where I needed it to be, shaving down the wood a little bit by what, 1/8 of an inch, and then welding nuts to the back of it so it inset inside to hold on these things. Okay, and so I went to the big box hardware store and I found what I needed, and then I realized it's a simpler way. So I've got, what are these called? These things. Okay, I've got 5/16, 18. Damn it. And then the bolts that go with them. So these are all, that one's too fucking long. God damn it. Fucking figures. That's 1 inch. Oh well, I'll make it work. So, pause. And that's complete. I put a layer of primer on there, actually a couple of them, with the bolts in so that the threads would not get fucked up with paint. I'm doing this as a sealant, that's all. I mean, I've got so much half a cans and a quarter of a can and a couple of sprays of a can left of primer and shit that I might as well put it to good use, right? And it's going to seal up the lateral supports. I'm going to let this dry, and then I'm going to turn it over and get the other side as well. So it'll be completely encased in black primer. Well, check that out. I'm going to call this a milestone with some oddities. Yep. Almost the same thing over there. Nothing I can't fix with sealing, but sealant. And that's okay over there. You can see how much of a gap there is between the teardrop and the back. These ones were not designed to hook into the teardrops, but I'm gonna modify it so it does. Oh, that's a good repair. Right there. Hell yeah. So, not a great repair here, but I can trim that. Put more fiberglass. You can see how rough it is. No holes though. There was one. It dripped through. I'm so awesome I didn't even fix it, and I fixed it. Good surface seal mating there, I suppose. Works well there. Other side, not so much. But this thing is so amorphous that, see that? And it's okay there, I think. Yeah. Damn it, sorry. It's this that I have a little bit of concern over. I wonder if I might just trim it, see what happens. Probably do that tomorrow. Well, no, I kind of got to do it tonight, don't I? Anyway, Pause. Stop. Okay, well, this is drying nicely. Ish, I guess. I mean, I got a fan on it. And my heater. That's for the garage, though. And I'm at a point where I can finish the front. Doing some fiddling and some adjusting and so forth. I've got these pretty much where I want them. And I wanted to share that. So I had to dig some of that out when I pulled this apart. When this was originally built, I think these corner pieces and the front bow were, one piece, and then they were fiberglassed into the overall mold, and then the mold built around it. So when I pulled these out, the front bow was trash, and leaving some holes here. So I'm going to mix up some fiberglass. I'm going to fill that in. These are now going to be permanent fixtures of everything. And I'm going to sit down for a while, let that cure, and then figure out how to put that metal piece in, and then that front bow. So that's what's next. Yup. Okay, so I'm going to turn in New Year's Eve, and I'm going to open some champagne here sometime soon. I've got the this aluminum piece in. As you can see, I have what do you call it? I've added some. God damn it! That's how old I am. These fucking rivets. There you go. This is a temporary measure to hold this in until I get the wood piece in. Once I get the wood piece in, I'll grind all these off and just do basic bodywork later. Fill that with lead if I have to. But it's going to get covered up with bodywork anyway later. So upon this will go a piece of insulation. So I'll do a little bit of work on hammering some of these back out. Look at that. That's from grinding. I need to do a little bit of work here. That's not tough. I've done a little bit of work over there. I'm going to fill this with fiberglass if I have to, and I'm going to put the wood in there as far as I possibly can, so that I've got a long piece. And the wood goes on with fiberglass, so it'll be permanent, extremely permanent. And I'll do that tomorrow. I'm going to post this tonight and open a bottle of something.